Click on the link below to get discount. The DuroMax XP13000HXT is engineered to be a powerhouse among portable generators. It's equipped with a 500 cubic centimeters OHV overhead valve engine, renowned for its durability and efficiency. This engine is designed to handle heavy loads and provide a steady power supply, making it suitable for both residential and commercial use. Whether you're dealing with a power outage at home, running power tools on a job site, or needing electricity for outdoor events, this generator has you covered. One of the standout features of the XP13000HXT is its tri-fuel capability. This means it can operate on gasoline, propane, or natural gas. This flexibility is particularly advantageous during emergencies when fuel availability might be limited. Gasoline is widely accessible, propane is easy to store and has a longer shelf life, and natural gas can provide a continuous supply during extended outages without the need for refueling. This tri-fuel feature ensures that users are never left in the dark, regardless of the situation. Safety is a critical consideration with any generator, and the XP13000HXT addresses this with its CO alert system. This system monitors the levels of carbon monoxide, a potentially deadly gas, in the vicinity of the generator. If high levels of CO are detected, the generator will automatically shut down to prevent poisoning. This feature provides peace of mind, especially when using the generator in confined or semi-enclosed spaces. Starting the XP13000HXT is a breeze thanks to its push-button and remote start options. The push-button start eliminates the need for manual pulling, which can be cumbersome and unreliable. The remote start adds an extra layer of convenience, allowing users to start the generator from a distance. This can be particularly useful during adverse weather conditions or when the generator is positioned in a less accessible location. The generator is also designed with user convenience in mind. It comes with a variety of outlets, including a 50-amp outlet that is ready for transfer switches. This makes it easy to connect a wide range of appliances and tools. The digital display provides real-time information about the generator's status, including voltage, frequency, and runtime hours, helping users keep track of maintenance needs and operational performance. Portability is another key feature of the XP13000HXT. Despite its substantial power output, the generator is designed to be transportable. It includes heavy-duty wheels and a foldable handle, making it easier to move around, whether you're positioning it around your home, on a job site, or taking it on the go for outdoor activities. What stands out the most? High power output. Capable of producing 13,000 watts, it can handle heavy-duty appliances and tools. Tri-fuel capability. Can run on gasoline, propane, or natural gas, providing flexibility in fuel choice. CO alert system ensures safety by detecting harmful carbon monoxide levels. Push button and remote start, easy and convenient starting options. Multiple outlets, includes a variety of outlets, including a 50-amp outlet ready for transfer switches. Portable design, comes with wheels and a handle kit for easy transportation. Durability, built with a robust engine designed for longevity. Digital display, easy-to-read interface for monitoring generator status. Low noise levels, designed to operate quietly, minimizing disturbance. Affordable, offers great value for its power and features. User-friendly, simple controls and maintenance procedures. Reliable, trusted brand with a reputation for quality and reliability. Emergency preparedness, ideal for home backup power during outages. Outdoor use, suitable for camping, tailgating, and other outdoor activities. Warranty, comes with a 3-year protection plan for peace of mind. Technical specifications. Engine, 500 cubic centimeters OHV DuroMax engine. Power output, 13,000 watts. Fuel type, gasoline, propane, natural gas. Starting system, push button and remote start. Outlets, multiple outlets including a 50-amp outlet. Weight, 240 pounds. Dimensions, specific dimensions not provided. CO alert system, yes. Noise level, specific noise level not provided. Warranty, 3-year protection plan. Pros and cons. Pros. High power output. Tri-fuel capability. CO alert system for safety. Multiple outlets. Portable design. Durable construction. Affordable price. Cons. Heavy weight, 240 pounds. May require professional installation for best results. Noise level may still be noticeable in quiet environments. Where to buy? The DuroMax XP13000HXT portable generator is available for purchase on Amazon. You can find it on the Amazon product page. In summary, the DuroMax XP13000HXT is a versatile and powerful portable generator that offers high power output, tri-fuel capability, and multiple safety features. Its robust design and user-friendly features make it an excellent choice for home backup power, outdoor activities, and emergency preparedness. With its affordable price and reliable performance, it's a valuable investment for anyone needing a dependable power source. Click on the link below to get discount.